Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today is another one of our lovely adventures, or part of it, here somewhere at a waterfall. Super beautiful. And we're going to see some Indian artifacts.
And we already found some artifacts, like they dig a hole in the rock and then they make food out of it.
Oh, you found an aminal?
Here are some of the artifacts like they used to make some food. There's some more over here. This was a big one.
That is a big one.
There's this little tiny one.
So what would they grind up in it?
They would grind up acorns, pinion nuts. Pinion nuts are their main food.
And then
So this is the Patriot tribe.
maybe, we don't know that part yet, we'll find that out. But when they grind them down, what are they going to do with them?
They're going to make it into a flat cake or mush.
Flat cake? What's a flat cake?
A flat cake is a cake that is flat.
But what's it used for?
Eating.
Eating? Like a tortilla type deal?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then,
I think they'll grind up herbs too.
what else?
No, they would grind up like maize and stuff like that so they can make the flour to make tortilla type stuff.
They grinded up maize.
This was their blender, to sum it up.
For their
It was their coffee grinder. What?
For their animals, what they mixed up was pinion nuts, acorns, any type of nut with whatever you just said.
With what? Maize? Corn?
Yeah, maize.
Oh.
And corn. That's what they mixed up for their animals.
For the animals? What about for themselves?
They made the flat cake, and then or they would just eat the pinion nuts plain, which is really good.
This is for Americans, not Indians.
Indians too. See, this is a totem pole.
Mexico, hippies,
Hippies.
and the pirates.
Arr!
Sums it up.
What?
I think the hippies were in the 70s, and the act that preserves this was from 1906.
Well, let's go over here.
Let's get going.
Oh, over here first.
Okay, let's get going first. What is over there, baby? Nothing. Look at it. It's right there. Where? What? I know that. I'm just saying. Come on, Gigi. Gigi's taking one bar. She's holding it.
See if there's any more squirrels.
Looks like there's been squirrels sitting on these rocks eating acorns.
Is that what that is? It looks like dog food.
They're getting the nuts out of the acorns. I mean, out of the
Oh, I want to see it.
pine trees.
The walk from the Mortar Bowls or Pedestal is less than a 10-minute journey from parking. We hope you enjoyed our trip to Lake Alpine and Babe Meadows area off of Highway 4 in Northern California. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.